Change system walk with you. Again. Change system walk with you. Change system walk with you. Change system walk with you. There's a change system walk with you. System walk with you. Change system walk with you. Walk with you. There's a great change since we walk with you.
Hip, hip, hip. All right. Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon, sir.
In life, they say what has a beginning has an end.
Yes, sir.
But this is not the end. This is the end of. This is the beginning of another end.
Yes, sir.
Amen. God is with us. Yes. I want to thank you all for all your support. Everybody has contributed to the success we have got. And I want all of you to hold yourself high and be proud of yourselves. I'm equally proud of all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I'm leaving the service after 39 years. I'm happy and I'm fulfilled. I thank God. I want to wish all of you a successful tour of duty in the armed forces of Nigeria. Please be proud of yourself, be proud of your commitment, be proud of your sacrifice. The sacrifice we are making, not many people understand what we go through. But God knows. And those that appreciate it, appreciate us very well. The president particularly appreciates all the effort we are doing. So we'll continue to work together as a team. Even when we retire, we'll continue to support you. If there are issues that we can help, please let us know. We'll continue to extend that. I'll be in Abuja, Kaduna, and Jos. Those are my areas. So I want to thank you once again for all your support, all your contribution, all your prayers. Because prayers critical. Extend my greetings to your family, your spouses, whether husbands or wives, because again, they've also contributed to it. We'll continue to be together, we'll continue to succeed. God is with us. Nigeria is a great country. Don't ever allow anybody to make you think Nigeria is bad. It's not. We have a great country. It's just a matter of time things will work out well. So I want to wish you guys, every one of you, God's blessing.